Hey, what is up guys, Tava here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mount a GoPro to the Zhiyun Smooth Q. This is actually very easy. First, loosen the back clamp on the gimbal and tilt it 90 degrees. Now just put your GoPro in and tighten it down. Also make sure the balance for the gimbal is pushed all the way in so it's basically level. Now you can power on the gimbal and then push the mode button 3 times to flip the camera around the other way. Paired with the stabilization built into the new GoPros, it can create some really great results. Here is some test footage that I shot.
I know nothing about it. I turned my thinking on to make sure it's aligned with yours. I'm obviously doubtful, how could anyone turn my opinion round? I'm trying to understand what all the fuss is about. If I admit to myself, I build my love around all the love is paint a pretty little picture inside my head, yeah. While all the other ones pick a little image out for themselves, yeah. I'm willfully uninformed on many matters, but the words come tumbling through. I know I'm only human.
Anyway, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.